Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a player in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just select this features option from the main menu, and here you will able to see the option for create a player. Once you select that, they'll ask you to select the league you would like to create a player for. So you can go for NBA or WNBA. I'll go for NBA. So here select the option add new player. In order to create a player, you will able to see bunch of options. The first option you have is vitals. So by selecting this option, you will able to choose the first name, last name of your player. Then you can choose the nickname, position, jersey number, and that kind of stuff. Then you can go for appearance. Right here they'll allow you to choose the head of your player. Also, if you want to make any changes to this head, just hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. So for this, you will able to change the hairstyle. Then also you can just change the skull, as well as you can change the eyebrows, ears, eyes, and so on. So once you're done with appearance, go to body. Here you will able to change height of your player, weight of your player, and this kind of stuff. Next option you have is for tattoos. So if you wanna add tattoo, just select this option and you will able to select tattoo from here. I wanna remove this one, so I'll just hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation and just confirm that. You can see the tattoo is gone. So just like that, you can choose accessories, shoes, attributes, tendencies, hot zones, signatures, and all this kind of stuff are fully customizable here. Once you're done with the creation, just hit the complete, keep changes and return. And yeah, as you can see, you are able to see your created player just right here. And that's exactly how you can create a player in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.